I will ice skate.
We will sing.
We will sing.
Listen.
We will listen.
Forgive.
We will forgive.
Call our friends.
We will call our friends. That's huge. It's like a big first step there.
We will dig each other out of the snowbank.
We will dig each other out of the snowbank.
Visit the trees.
We will visit the trees. Because we believe that this is our last.
We should all live with dignity.
We should all live with dignity.
That the arc of history bends toward justice.
The arc of history bends towards justice. Are we in agreement that we have finished this poem?
Yes.
This is our poem. We made this poem. It's amazing. Here we are in April 2019, and we are magical. We are strong. We are familia. We are unity. We are yoga. We listen. We love. We support. We wrote this. We remember. We are in it together. Somos memoria. We remember our grandmothers. We remember our favorite professors. David W. Noble presente. To remind us that we are all connected. We are all human. We see this brilliance and diversity in my child's smile, in each other. We resolve to stay at it. We resolve to understand. We resolve to stay positive. When we get down, we lift each other. We'll dance. We'll ice skate. We'll sing. We will listen. We will forgive. We will call our friends. We will dig each other out of the snowbank. We will visit the trees. Because we believe that we should all live with dignity, that the arc of history bends towards justice. Thank you all.